Hi, it's James here today. And today, I was at a place on Huron Church Line in Windsor, Ontario, Canada. And I usually don't eat out. I usually cook at home. But they had this thing called chili lasagna soup. And I'm going to unbag it right now and try it. I've never heard of this stuff in my life. A chili lasagna soup. Wasn't expensive, like $8. But you can take a look at it. Looks like a chili's. Got the onions, the beans, and some pastas. I'm going to try it out. A lot of peppers. So I like my soup. Gotta try another spoon. That's pretty good. I'd never heard of it before. A chili lasagna soup. They did a good job. A lot of tomatoes, a lot of pastas, a lot of beef. Really good. But yeah, it's something I never heard of. And that shit's good. Healthy too, probably. And I'm not into too much health. But it's good. Anyways, just a quick message. It was j.j.s Bar and Grill on here online. And that shit's good. I have to admit. Just a quick food review for me today. James out.